everyone and welcome to another crafty tutorial with me, Veronica from Garnknuten. If you like crocheting and crafting, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to not miss any future videos. In this video I'll teach you how to make these quick and easy yarn tassels. To make a tassel you need a book that is a bit taller than your desired length of your finished tassel, yarn, a pair of sharp scissors, and a tapestry needle. Start by wrapping the yarn around the book approximately 20 times, depending on how thick you want your tassel to be. You can use the long side or the short side of the book, depending on how tall you want your tassel to be. Cut off the yarn when the tassel is as thick as you want. Cut off a piece of yarn approximately 15 centimeters. Tie the top of the tassel snugly and leave some yarn so that you have something to attach or hang the tassel with. Now it's time to remove the tassel from the book. Now we'll tie the end of the yarn to the tassel. Continue by wrapping the yarn around the tassel as tight as possible. You can wrap the yarn as many times as you want. Cut off the yarn when you are done, but save approximately 15 centimeters. Thread the tapestry needle to finish off the wrapping. This is how I finish off the wrapping. Now we are almost finished. Cut open the tassel and trim the ends of the tassel evenly. Congratulations! Now your tassel is ready to be attached onto your desired bag, keys or wall. I would love to hear what you have planned for your tassels in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!